right, sorry about that. This is part 2 of my Destash. It is US only, PayPal only, pay right away. Email me at scoop71@yahoo.com first. Make sure it's still available. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is number 10, and this is the second Sizzix lot. So I have, in the last video, I went up to number 9, and I had a Sizzix A. This is sort of my other Sizzix lot. So in this one, you get this brand new Home for Christmas dies. This one right here, which is called Snow Dome. Brand new, never used. This one right here, which is called Festive Elements, never used. And this one, which is called Christmas Joy. I just don't like little tiny pieces. I just don't. So that one is going to be, and remember all the shipping is included. This one's going to be $40. Okay, so now we're moving on to this one, which is number 11. Okay, so it has the dies, and this one does not have dies. This one has dies. The dies are there on the metal thingy. This one, which has the dies, and this one right here, no dies. So this one is going to be, this one's going to be $40. And then we're on to number 12. Number 12. So this one is going to have, this one right here from the Ink Road, never used, background stamp. It's going to be the Sassy Club. I guess, what am I going to call this? This is a miscellaneous 2, I guess I'm going to call it. It has this planner stamp. And then this La La Land Sloth stamp, brand new. I don't think I use this. I'm not into sloths. This Slumber Party stamp set from Simon Says, and includes the dies. So this is going to be $20. Okay, and so this one right here is number 13. Number 13. And this one you get this Ink Blot Houndstooth, never used. This brand new Donut Worry Greeting Farm, never used. This Greeting Farm stamp in rubber, never used. And this brand new Kylie Girl Picket Fences stamp set, never used. So this one is, we'll say $18. Actually, we'll say $20. This was $20. Because, I mean, the donut stamp set's $15 new. Never used. So, there you go. And then let's do number 21. So number 21, this is from Tonic, and this is brand new, never used stuff. This includes this stamp set, this Toys Tots Space Bot, and then it comes with the Toys Tots Robot Die and Shaker set, and the Toys and Tots Toys Duck Die and Shaker set. I guess they all go with the stamp set. And then this one, which is Toys Tots Tiara Die and Shaker set. Never used. This one's going to be awkward to mail. So I'm going to say it's going to be $20. This one, though, I'm willing to negotiate the price if you add it with something else. It's just awkward to mail unless I take it out of the box. So if you want me to take it out of the box, I could do that. Okay. Now I've got 2 more things on here. All right. Got some more stuff here. Okay. Number 22. Okay, so this was 22. And I mean, almost everything I'm showing you guys is like brand new product stuff. So this was a free goodie that I got. And in here I get this stamp set. It's like, let's see here. And this one, which I don't even know what it says. Maybe you can tell. And that. So you get these. These ones are, I forget where this is from. You also get from Unity Stamps, you get this one, and then you get this stamp set. Know You're Strong. So this one, and then this one, you get those. You also get this Paper Rose die. You get this one that says Merry Christmas die. Love Bites little stamp set. This little coffee stamp set. This little cocoa stamp set. This Rabbit Hole Designs stamp set. Get this Cottage Cuts die, this die, and this die. So, so this one is $13. This one's probably mostly shipping. Okay, so moving on to 23. All right, so let's see. All right, so this is 23. And you get this one, which is the stamp set. I think I put it way backwards. So this stamp set, which is, I think I used this one time. And it's Sending Love and Happy Thoughts. So Sending Love and Happy Thoughts by Trinity Stamps. And then this one, which is, there's two in here. There is the Mittens one, and then there's this little bear with these little leaves. And then they both have coordinating dies. And then this little Seasonings Greetings die with the little, die and stamp. So this one is going to be $13. So it's like mostly shipping. This one's number 24. And the Cat's Pajamas does not make stamps anymore. They only do digital. So I got this one, which is this like coffee tea one. I have this one. These are all brand new. This one right here. This one I've used 2 stamps, I believe, or 3 stamps. This one, and this one. And this one right here. And this one is $20. Okay, so then I've got this one right here. And so this one is number 25. And this is brand new. This is Cat Scrappiness. And this one I used a couple of stamps. I think I only used that day's stamp. But it comes with the dies. And then this one, which does not come with dies, called Flaky Friends. And so this one's $15. Okay. And then we are getting to the end. Number 26. So 26, you get the Spellbinder Small Die of the Month, October. I never use this. So it's still sealed, I don't think. Maybe I did use it. I might have used it once. Like, I don't know. You get this Snowflakes. I think this is 6 dies. You get the Christmas tree. and the die, and you get the snowflake and the die. This brand new alt new wispy begonia. These are pink fresh dies. This one's smile, and this one's hello. So this one is going to be $22. And that's all she wrote. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.